Hello and welcome again in new lesson with Pro Solution by Taha. In that lesson we will talk about how we could install Chrome on Ubuntu. First of all, I will provide you in the description with the two commands we will use. First, we need to open the new terminal. We will use the first command to install and get from the internet the Chrome version 64. Write that. Okay. After you paste the command, you need to push button enter. I will notice I have installed Chrome on the Ubuntu last time, so I did that before. We will wait until the Chrome finish downloading. Okay, we download the Chrome on our system. What we can do, simple as that, we just copy the second command line. Sudo apt install Chrome Google Chrome stable. We will copy and paste and then we will enter. I noticed before I installed the Chrome on my system Ubuntu, so he needs a password for the sudo. Okay, he tell me that I installed Ubuntu before. I don't need upgraded is 0, new installed 0, and that Chrome. Do you see it? We will go the application. You will see Chrome here. You can just tap as right click and put it in favorite, just like that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much. Good day. Bye.